As promised, back here with my good friend Christy Lee from KL Creative Design. And, I was telling them a little bit about what you do, but for people that are just joining us now, what is KL Creative Design?
So KL Creative Design is a full-service web development group. We do everything from traditional websites, mobile apps.
Okay, now Christy Lee is actually currently redoing our website here at TV8 Summit, which if you guys have been on there, it's a little less than ideal, and already just the options that you've shown us, are leaps and bounds from what it is now. So get excited for that. That's going to go live sometime this spring. But for us, for instance, we have a lot of video content. We have our live weathers that we do every morning. We also have, interviews, let's say like this interview from Summit Sunrise. Now, how is that something that we can kind of leverage with a website that's kind of being recreated? Like compared to what we have now, how can you help us leverage that?
So video marketing is a newer method of marketing and search engine optimization, and it's a great way to get your name, your content, as well as you out onto the market with, it's a backdoor approach to get into people's lives.
So, kind of making them feel like they might know us a little bit before we actually meet them.
Right.
Okay. So that could definitely be good for, small businesses and, kind of taking that intimidation factor out.
Exactly.
And maybe, helping to explain some of those more difficult products and things like that. Now, I'm sure that there's probably a lot of people out there that are like, oh, my website is maybe a little less than ideal. So you can really help people, do a number of different things. You can help revamp like you're doing with ours.
Right.
And then also, what about people that don't have a website but have been like, it's way too expensive. I don't think I can do that.
Well, we find websites to be one of the most affordable long-term investments into your business. Your website is the first impression people see of you. Before they even leave the house, before they pick up the phone, they're checking you out online. And what does your website say about you? You need to be presenting, that face to them.
Right. Now, also something that I didn't realize until we kind of started in this process, mobile websites and regular websites are completely different.
Right. Generally, yes. We have your traditional website, which would be viewed on a desktop, and then we often create a website that is a copy of your main website, but with slightly different content, and everything is reworked in order to fit the mobile screen.
Okay, so it actually just makes it a little bit more user-friendly.
Right.
I think we've probably all been on some of those websites on our phone, and you're like trying to figure it out.
Right, no zooming, things like that.
Nice. Okay. But you can help with both of those things.
Yes. Right.
All right. Now, something else that I have to brag about Christy Lee about is her app. She has her own app that she developed for iPhone. It's called Explore More, and now we use this all the time. We go out hiking together a lot. And tell us how it works.
So Explore More is an altimeter. It will tell you your current altitude wherever you are, as well as the location, and then you can take a photo with it, and it will stamp the photo with your altitude on the side.
So for instance, let's say your mom doesn't live here, but she wants to see where you're up to. You can take some of those pictures and be like, Mom, look where I was today. And even just around the county, like some places like shopping, like in Breckenridge, you'd be surprised at the altitude in some of those spots. So it's a great way to kind of take it with you wherever you go. And it's only for iPhones though, right?
Right.
Okay. So also, if you happen to have an ingenious idea for an app, they can help you develop that as well. So what's the best way for people to get in touch with you?
So my website is klcreativedesign.com, and my phone number is on the screen.
Okay, now for someone that might be intimidated, let's say they're like, okay, well, these are all really great ideas, but I'm still not sure about it.
Right. Well, we do a free project consultation where for 30 minutes I will sit down with you, and we'll meet in a coffee shop or something, and we'll just discuss your project. I can look over your website and apply some ideas that I think might work, things that could help improve, or like what the next steps might be for your project.
Let me just tell you, just doing that with Christy Lee for our website at the station, it was like, it was amazing. It was amazing just to see some of those ideas and to realize how much better it could be with just a few small changes. So if you're interested, make sure you give her a call or look her up online. But thanks so much for coming in. Really appreciate it. And we're going to take a break. We've got more coming your way, including that Watch and Win, so don't go anywhere.